a friend of yours, like we talked about the angel investors,
Yeah.
they don't necessarily expecting something in return, do they? But somebody gives you money and is expecting something in return.
Yeah.
How come people don't seek the advice of a lawyer? How come they don't do the right things? We into business. Tell us this.
Yeah, sometimes it's because of the kind of relationship between you and the person. I have done that before. I did it for about 3-4 years. It was in 2020. I had a problem because a doctor friend of mine gave me 20,000. In fact, he proposed that I use it to work and give him a part of the profit. So in 2020, when the crisis erupted, he decided not to take the profit, but we take only the principal, the 20,000. But I felt that that wouldn't be fair to him because I didn't sound as if he was part of the risk. So I told him, I insisted of paying everything. And luckily for him, I managed to pay off everything together with the...
But why should he be part of the risk? Because it is the money you invested in the business. If there were challenges and the business could not make as much profit as expected, why shouldn't he be part of the risk?
Yes. In my case, it was a form of loyalty to our friendship. So I didn't feel like making him a part of the risk. And I also didn't start it off with him. But in most cases, and depending on the financial situation of the person involved, it could create a lot of problems because the person who gave the money to you might have not factored in the risk associated with it, and you might have not drawn his attention to it as an entrepreneur, because most medical doctors are really in the hospitals. They are not much into business, and they may not know the nitty-gritty of whatever you are doing. So it's incumbent on you to inform the person that these are the risk involved. And in 2020, we never anticipated that. So obviously, being human and as friendly as he is, he decided that I shouldn't pay the interest, but he needed his 20,000 Ghana cedis. But I managed to do everything. But that was the last time I dealt with him, because I felt that.
So